How to edit photos on NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Now make sure that you are logged in with your account. In order to edit photos on NanoBanana AI, here in this interface, if you scroll down, you can see this AI editor section. You have two different options, image to image and text to image. Make sure that you have selected image to image option. In order to edit photos, first of all you need to upload the photo. So tap on this add image button. Select the image that you want to edit. After you upload the image, in order to edit this, you can see this main prompt section. Tap on this. Over here, you need to give a prompt in order to edit the photo. You can explain how you want to edit the photo. After you provide your prompt, you can select this generate now button. Now you have to wait for a moment. It will process your request, and in this output gallery, you will be able to see your output. It might take few moments, so you have to wait patiently for that. So that's it. That's how you can easily edit photos on NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.